we are going to move to solve the illustration number 21. So first of all, we have to read out the question. This kind of questions are known as a typical questions, and the weightage of 2 to 3 marks in your annual exams if they are asking. The question is there: the prices of 3 items A, B, and C among 5 items have increased in the in the year 2015 by 90 percentage, 120 percentage, and 70 percentage respectively, with respect to the year 2010, whereas the prices of 2 items D and E have decreased by 2 percentage and 5 percentage respectively. Item A is 4 times importance than item B, and item C is 6 times importance than item A. The importance of items D and E is 2.5 times of the importance of the item B. Compute the general price index number for the year 2015 for all the 5 items. My dear friends, very interesting information is there, because of they have given the 5 items as I mentioned on the board, items A, B, C and D, and they also given the information there is an increased. My dear friends, keep one thing clear in your mind: the index number of Bezier is taken as 100. So if it is 100 and they have given 90 percentage increase, what it means? Your Bezier's index number is 100 plus 90 percentage increase, so now your new index number becomes 190. Whatever percentage they have increased, you have to add that much percentage into 100, and whatever percentage going to be decreased, you have to decrease that much percentage from the 100. So here they have given one thing, that percentage increase in the indices. So I would like to make my first column, it is I, and as per the given data, 90 percentage increased in item A. So 100 is my Bezier's index number plus 90 percentage is increased. So my index number of item A becomes 190. My dear friends, here I would like to discuss one more important thing with you. Sometimes they have given 3 times. Index number becomes 3 times. So what it means, please listen carefully. Index number becomes 3 times. So your index number of Bezier is 100. It becomes 3 times. Means what? 100 into 3. Your new answer is 300. But sometimes they are using the word 3 time increased. Please pay more attention while you are going to solve this kind of question. 3 time increased means what? First of all, you have to get a 3 times amount. That means what? 100 into 3, 300. Okay, 300 increased means what? You have to add 300 into 100, so it becomes 400. It happens. It becomes 3 times and it increased 3 times. Both the sentences are different. I repeat again, if it becomes 300, that your answer is 300. If it is increased by 3 times, your answer is 400. Because of 300, 3 times increased. So you have to get first the 3 times amount, that is 300, and you have to be add into 100, it becomes 100 plus 300. Now your answer is 400. So this one question is very easy, because of they have given there is an increase in the prices of item A 90 percentage, in the next item 120 percentage increase. So my Bezier's index number is 100 plus 120. So now it is 220. Then index number of C 100 for Bezier and 70 percentage is increased. So my answer is 170. Then they have given 2 items D and E have decreased by 2 percentage and 5%. Decreased means what? Index number reduces. So 100 minus 2, that is 98, and here is 100 minus 5, it is 95. So now we got it, index number of I for each items. Then they have given importance. Importance is always mentioned by W. But most important, they cannot given the clear importance. They have given only sentences. So refer the very first thing, item A. Item A is 4 times importance than item B. That means what, your item A is importance 4 times than item B. But we don't have importance of item B. We don't have importance of item B. So we are going to be assume importance of item B as 1. So I would like to assume importance of item B as 1. Now I would like to apply my sentence. What I read here. They have given importance of item A is 4 times than item B. The importance of item B is 1. Now the importance of item A is 4 times than B. So you have to multiply this one importance into 4. So we got it 4 ones are 4. So item A's importance is 4. Okay. Then and item C is 6 times than item A. The importance of item C is 6 times than item A. The importance of item A is 4. It is multiplied with 6, so it becomes 24. So item C has importance 24. The sentence is that importance of C is 6 times than A. So importance of A is 4. Now it is multiplied with 6, so we got it importance of C. Then the importance of item D and E is 2.5 times the importance of item B. Okay, importance D and E have equal importance, but it is 2.5 times than the importance of B. So importance of B is 1. It is multiplied with 2.5. 2.5 means what? 2.5. So 2.5 into 1 it becomes same. It is 2.5. It is your importance of item D and E. This is the cash will be taken while we are going to get the importance of each items. Okay, the importance of whatever item is not available, we are going to be assume as 1 the importance of that particular item which is not clearly mentioned over there. Okay, so now W is available, index number is available, means what? The two columns are suggesting us that we have to use weighted average method to find out our index number. Here they are going to give instructions that find out general index number, but because of amount of W is available, so we are using weighted average method to get general index number. So make it next column, it is IW. So 190 into 4, it becomes 760. 220 into 1, it is 220. 170 into 24, it is 4080. 98.2.5, it is 245. 95.2.5, it is 237.5. Now please get total of this one column. It is 5542.5, and the total of W is 34. So now general index number. So sum of IW divided by sum of W is 5542.5 divided by 34. After using our calculator, we are able to get our answer 163.01. So excess part always shows us there is an increment. So right now the answer, there is a rise. In price 163.01 minus 100, that is 63.01%. The very simple thing is that this is your illustration number 21, which is available in your textbook, page number 39. Hope you understand this concept, how it can be solved easily. I notice one most important thing, that pay attention more on the wordings. Sometimes they are giving wording in confusing manner, but we have to go slowly and perform slowly to get the perfect right answer. Happy morning, friends. Friends, today we are going to continue with our last method, but we are going to solve new examples. It is eighth one question from the illustration number 24. It is of same kind. How to find out cost of living index number by using weighted average method. So my dear friends, I would like to read out the question for you. It is available in your textbook on the page number 44. Question number 81 of the illustration number 24. So now the question is that if the increase in the price relatives of three items are 250%, 265% and 300% respectively, and if the ratio of the importance of these items is 8:7:5, find the general price index number. My dear friends, in the last examples I share with you the words. Whenever they are using the word the percentage increase, that means what, we have to add into 100 because of the past years, that is called base years index number is always 100 and some percentage are to be increased, that means what, increased percentage we have to be added to 100 to get the actual index number of the current year. So in the question number 81 they have given three items, so I would like to mention my first column over here. It is items. So A, B and C. Then index number I have to mention here my first column I. So refer your question. If the increase in the price relatives are going to be increased by how much percentage? They have mentioned the percentage. 250% in item A. So 250 is increased. So 100 is our basis index number plus 250. So this is 350 of the current years. Then they have given 265% increased in item B. So again do the same, 100 plus 265, that is 365. Then for the item C, 100 plus 300, it is 400. So these are our indices after adding the increased percentage in our basis index number. Also they have given weightage, but this time the information or presentation of the given weightage is different. They have given the ratio. So simple, there is no worry, you have to mention the column W, that is weightage, and the ratio is available 8:7:5. So we have to put direct amount 8, 7 and 5. Okay. After seeing these two columns I and W, any students get the easily idea that we have to use weighted average method to get general index number. So I have to make a next column I, W. So 350 into 8, it becomes 2800. 365 into 7, it becomes 2555. Then 400 into 5, it is 2000. Then get total of the last column, it is 7355, and the total of weightage is 20. So now write it over here. General index number is equals to sum of I W divided by sum of W. 7355 divided by 20. By using our calculator, we are able to get it. Our answer is 367.75. And now we have to write our answer. How much percentage increase in the price? So that is a rise. In price is equals to 367.75 minus 100. So excess part shows us increase in the prices. So my dear friend, we have to pay attention only these amounts. How much percentage increased? If it is increased, we have to be added in the index number 100 of the base. I think this seems very easy to you. Again we are going to try to solve the same kind of questions for you. Now it is available in the page number 53. The sixth one question from the section E. sixth one question from the section E, which is available on the page number 53. So I would like to read out for you. The price of wheat increased by 70% and price of rice increased by 40% in the year 2015. With respect to the year 2010, the price of bajri decreased by 25%. The price of oil decreased by 40% and the price of ghee decreased by 5%. If the importance of oil is 3 times and of rice is double that of ghee, and the importance of each of wheat and bajri is double that of rice, find price index number of the group of these 5 items and interpret it. Okay, my dear friends, they have given the name of the things. So first of all, we have to mention our first column, items. So first items, they have given wheat. Next item is available rice, then bajri, oil, at the end is ghee. Then general idea they have given about the index numbers. So very first sentence, the price of wheat increased by 70%. My dear friends, I suggest you many times, percentage increased. What it means? Basis index number remains same, that is 100, and now 70% is increased. What becomes 100 plus 70, that is 170. So here I have to mention 100 plus 70, it is 170. Then the price of rice increased by 40%. So now again for rice 100 plus 40, it is 140. Price of bajri decreased by 25%. Decreased, what it means? Price fall down. That means what index number is 100 and now the price is down. That means what we have to subtract 25. So here 100 minus 25, that is 75. Price of oil increased by 40%. Again increased, 100 plus 40, it is 140. Then price of ghee decreased by 5%. Decreased by 5%, that is 100 minus 5, it is 95. Now we have to find out importance, that is W. So now if the importance of oil is 3 times, if the importance of oil is 3 times and of rice is double that of ghee, my dear friends, they have given importance of wheat and rice in compared to ghee. Okay, so we don't have importance of ghee, so we are going to be assumed as 1. And now you have to apply the sentence. So the importance of oil is 3 times. Importance of oil is 3 times. So importance of ghee is 1 and importance of oil is 3 times. So 1 into 3 is 3. Then rice is double than ghee. So multiplied with 2, the rice is 2. Then importance of each of wheat and bajra is double that of rice. Double that of rice. The importance of rice is 2 and importance of wheat and bajra is double. So it is 2 2s are 4. Okay. So now we have I and we have W. So we have to make a next column. It is I, W. So 170 into 4, it is 680. 140 into 2, it is 280. Here it is 300, 420 and 95. My dear friends, get total of both the columns. So I have to write now here general index number. Sum of I W divided by sum of W. My dear friends, after getting totals of both the columns, sum of I W gives us 1775 sum of W we have 14, and after mentioning the amounts in the formula we are able to get our answer, that is 126.79. Interpret the result. We have to interpret the index number. So excess part above 100, it shows there is a rise. So right now there is rise in price is equals to 126.79 minus 100, that is 26.79 percentage. So this kind of example seems very easy, but we need more practice to get the confidence. I hope you understand the easiest approach. Thank you very much. Friends, we have to move to solve the same kind of questions from our textbook, and I find here the 10th one question from the section F of the page number 57. The question is that the index number of food and clothing among the different groups of cost of living are 150 and 224.7 respectively for the year 2015. That means what? They have given index number for two commodities. The price of fuel has increased by 220%. The expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000, and miscellaneous expenses increased by 1.75 times. If the expenditure of the first four groups are 40%, 18%, 12%, and 20% respectively, find the cost of living index number for the year 2015 and interpret it. Fuel we have, then we have house rent, and at the end is miscellaneous. Okay, so index number is available. Please pay attention over there. The index number of food and clothing among the different groups of cost of living index number cost of living are 150. The index number of food is 150. Index number of clothing is 224.7. Then the the price of fuel has increased by 220%. Please. 220% increased. It is not an index number. We have to find out the index number by adding such increment of percentage in 100. So 100 plus 220, that is 320. Then next part is that the expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. My dear friends, again they cannot given the index number of house rent, but they have given the actual amount of rent. In the base year they are paying 4,000, now in the current year they are paying 6,000. So we have P1 and P0. With the help of P1 and P0 we are able to get the index number. So P1 is 6,000 and P0 is 4,000. So here 6,000 divided by 4,000 into 100, it is 150. Okay, then what they have given? And miscellaneous expenses increased, my dear friends. Again the word is there. Increased 1.75 times. So first of all we have to find out the times value. 1.75 times, that means what? 100 is your basis index number. You have to multiply this much amount with 1.75. So 100 into 1.75, it is called 175. And now read out, 175 is increased. What it means? 100 plus 100 into 1.75. For your easiness, 100 plus 175, it is 275. It is my index number. So these are the indices of all the items, and now we need W, that is called weightage importance. So now refer to this. If the expenditure of the first four groups are 40%, they have mentioned the percentage expense. That means if our total income is 100%, if our total is 100% our income, so out of 100%, how many percentage are importance of these articles? So food importance is 40% out of 100. Then here it is 18, then 12, then 20. My dear friends, they cannot given the percentage importance of miscellaneous. but it is easy. Total income is 100%. That means what? Total is available 100. So out of 100 we have to subtract all these amounts. So we are able to get the rest part. It is 18 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 plus 40 is 90. So the rest part is 10. So now we have a column of I. We have a column of W. So now all we are capable to make another column that is called IW. And my dear friends, you are able to finish the question by yourself. Thank you very much.